Hi, my name is Kurt. You may have seen some of my videos on YouTube, but this is a little more serious. It's about 11:30 at night here in Philadelphia, um, and I'm talking about mental illness and how it affects me. I know that in the media there's been talk, about Robin Williams and his, now apparent struggle with mental illness and his tragic suicide, and how if people had known and people don't talk about it, and how there's the stigma of mental illness, and what if we knew and people are ashamed to talk about it. So I'm actually going to talk about sorry, let's keep it away from the fan there. I'm going to talk about my mental illness and how it affects me. So I have, my current diagnoses are bipolar disorder, borderline personality disorder, and major depressive and post-traumatic stress disorder, whatever. There's a mood disorders and anxiety disorders and personality disorders. It's, like Axis 1, Axis 2. People who are familiar with the DSM, the diagnostic manual. Just there are days when I just don't want to get out of bed. There are days when my moods are all over the place, and there are days when I've had flashbacks to the trauma that I've had in my life, and there are days when I just feel like ending it all, and then there are days that are good. And usually the good days outweigh the bad days. I've had a rough couple days here. I have to find new housing again. My laptop sort of bit the dust. I had to sort of tell my one friend off after she lectured me about a decision that I made that really didn't affect her at all, and that I'm keep fighting. And I guess my message is for people who are struggling with mental illness, or who are living with mental illness, because sometimes it's a struggle and sometimes people live and they keep going. And that's my message, is to keep going. And it has to get better. And that's what I keep telling myself, because there are days when today, like today, where I'm just like, I don't want to keep going, but I tell myself it has to get better, because I choose my story. I choose how to write my story, and this is not my ending yet. And so I'm hoping this message, reaches to somebody. And don't be ashamed. And if you are struggling with feelings about harming yourself or depression or anything like that, seek help. Don't hold it inside. Don't be ashamed. Talk to a friend you think that's supportive, or there's always a counselor you can talk to, or there's always help out there. And I guess that's my message. So I'm going to try to go to bed soon, because it's late and I'm tired and I've had a very long day. But all right, thanks.